kind of boxers
Okay, for men.
for men. Underwear.
Okay,
Ladies t-shirt.
okay,
This one is second t-shirt.
okay.
Long sleeve polo. Children long sleeve. This one is white t-shirt. Ladies long sleeve polo. So this one is party wear.
Party wear.
Yes, if you are going to party,
Yeah.
this is material.
This is like
Like this thing you are wearing. This is towel. This is
like
yes.
Anakwa.
Our people they normally use it. This one we send it to Europe, Australia, anywhere we get the customer.
So we'll be going there.
Yeah, it will go in the container. It's pillow. We haven't sorted. Pillow.
This one is yet to be sorted.
Bathrobe. This one is bathrobe.
Yeah.
Mm. So many things.
This clothes like this came from Europe and it's still going back to Europe.
Yeah, due to he came under clothes. When he come here, we have a machine. We cut it like this.
Okay, Obro has clothes.
Abroad the clothes. We cut it like people are doing like car machinery or what they use it to clean the machine.
Okay.
So to work it in Europe is very, very expensive.
Okay.
Here work it is cheaper for
Send
us.
it back.
We send like this is 5.
Okay.
This is 5.
Okay.
So if you take this one 20, 20, 5 of it is 200.
Okay, that is one bell.
Yes. Come and see another one. So you put this, if you put back,
Okay. This is a machine that will bell it and
yeah.
make it look very nice and
Yes.
wow.
You see the tag. Now, you put that tag.
Okay.
If you turn it, you put that one.
Okay.
So here now, they will turn it. Then the other one, they will bend it.
Okay. Hello guys, we are live and direct in Togo and we are here also revealing and telling our stories which is about used clothing, the history of used clothing in Togo. A while ago, so there is some people, the origins of this business, how it started in this town, how our people brought it in this town and convinced the people of Togolese to start using this clothing. So we are here to meet our one of our boss, ND Holdings stroke incoming associates. So we are here in their warehouse to meet the chairman so that they will tell us more about this business, how it started, how they came to this town. Because these people we are going to meet has been here since 20 something years ago. They are here doing business, making money. So we are here to meet them so that they will tell us what they know, how they started, how they came to this town. Because there was people that introduced them into this business. So let's go and meet them, and they will show us what they have here. Because these people are men that really impacting the society. They are doing amazing work here. Let's go. Woo! This is massive, man. Wow. They are doing wonderful here, man. This is massive.
No,
Just look at it. I'm coming. Wow. This is massive. So
yeah.
good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, welcome.
Biko
Welcome.
una plan kekọwala mbụ onye bụ and
Okay.
ife a na-eme ebe a.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you,
These
sir.
are Ndukwu Kalo Ife Mboya Bereba.
Okay.
Mboya Bereba. So, ebe anyị bịara dị ọkịrịka. Ibe anyị na-arụ na-ebu ọkịrịka pụọ, mba ọbụla anyị si bu ya pụọ. So, letukwa n'ebe fọ company. M come.
Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, for the company.
Yeah, for the company.
Okay.
So, we got another one about no ND Holdings.
Okay, ND Holdings.
Yes.
Okay.
For the company.
Okay.
Anyị na-eji arụ ọrụ ere.
Okay.
So, anyị nwekwara nke a na-akpọkwa AMO.
Okay.
So, anyị na-eji.
You have a different company or just the one in 3-in-1?
3-in-1 company.
Okay.
So, sometimes some of them they change the name.
Okay.
Name order.
Okay.
One day they go to name munge.
Okay.
The time man Emmanuel Okafolu.
Okay.
But no, you am coming more than the holdings. So two of us joined it together. They made the business. So we are gonna that people employ from ancestor. So what teaching? I'm in a long day. So flame to color block home. So
Okay. Yeah. So, but sir, Kikowala and Otisi we via Oboda Abu Togo.
okay,
How long you have been here? And
okay,
Otu Okreka, Unwa Neles Webido.
okay. Actually, I'm a Moboda 1997 January.
Wow.
So with the help of organ. So I have a Namuku Pamnabia, also Togo.
Okay.
Silent day, the two shoes. So shoe that in Kamba or Kreka. So from Okreka, I got a overseas, almost all over the world.
Okay.
So you guys, the Okreka. So I did bless in Big Bell. She bless in Big Bell. Then I saw to area. So like a land guard, the Big Bell, let us oversee.
Okay, this white one.
This white one,
Okay.
the Big Bell is oversee. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
So
this one is yet to be sorted. Okay, it's separate though, yeah?
a separate way, look at the mix up.
Okay.
Both men, ladies, children, everything.
Okay. On the way kilo or
Mm,
kilo what can I call?
yes, like a car, 500 and 540 kilo. You
Okay.
can see small target there.
Okay.
540 kilo. We have another one there.
Okay. The other one.
Yeah,
That one.
that one is original. We haven't separated.
Okay. Wow. This is massive, man. This is
Check
massive.
on the trouser. So like this one is original.
So what do you mean by original?
It came both shoe, both handbag,
Okay.
everything, both winter, everything, both trouser, both children thing.
All of them came together.
Yeah, it came together.
So that's after you begin to separate it.
Yeah, like we open it. From there, we open like two container.
Okay.
This is a ladies mix pants.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is ladies mix pants. See the way we count it.
So okay, as it is now, what are the cater now? It's separate go ya.
It's separate to go here.
No.
Yeah, ladies mix pants. This one is CMR.
Kefe CMR.
Before Mwaka.
Okay.
Hello, Tori. Before Mwaka.
Okay.
Hello,
This one come as.
hello, CMR.
Okay.
Ìgbàdúrà yà wẹ̀ hó tó ní cross check area.
Okay.
Nke a adịghị mma to this quality.
Yeah.
Ya wepụ ya. Ịghọtala?
Yeah.
Nke a wụrụ babies. Ụmụaka aka mụrụ a day old. Ma ịghọtala?
Okay. Kenka come aka.
Yes.
Wow.
A day old. Ịghọtala ya wee ha. This ladies waist pant bụ both ụmụ nwanyị. Ịhụla?
Okay. And this looks very quality.
Yes.
All called first grade.
All first grade.
Wow.
Then this one for CCR. This one is first. Performance.
Okay. Wow. There is some self you will buy it, and after you like if you didn't use yeah or dika
They are selling it.
agwagi no kriki mankwe.
No, 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 no. Well, this one is still that babies.
Okay.
So this
Wow.
one is night wear. Before I get here.
Yeah. Okay. This one is for women also.
For women
or
also.
children.
For women.
Okay.
Night wear.
Okay. Yeah. Wow.
And it's in no law. So cow, if you mother pull over.
Okay.
So I will not to her.
Wow.
Original.
Original. For direct. This look at Look at neat. Huh? It's clean. Wow.
So nke a wụcha efu ụmụazị.
Yeah.
So nke a wụrụ ihe a na-eji ụmụ nwaanyị na-eji eke n'isi.
Ichaf. They call it ichaf.
Yes, ichaf.
We find out.
A na-akpọ isi ọkara.
Yeah.
Ọzọla.
Okay. So when father Abiba,
everything.
Wow.
Everything. So like this one is Kodra pants.
Okay, this one for men.
Yes, men, Kodra pants.
So all the chinos.
Yes, it's like chinos. But we have done some of them.
Okay.
From here.
So after like this, you will burn it like this.
Yes, I will take you there.
Okay.
Like this one. No, this one is mixed.
Okay, I separate by this one.
Separate by this one.
Wow.
This one is mixed. Like this one is second t-shirt.
Okay. Wow. This is wonderful. You guys are creating magic here.
I wear a second t-shirt. I wear first.
Okay.
One second. One children t-shirt. Atalanka or second t-shirt. Like a cow.
Wow. Second t-shirt.
Cow boxers.
Okay. For men.
For men. Underwear.
Okay. All kinds of underwear is here.
Yes.
Wow.
So
after you guys will burn it.
After we burn it, so this is a ladies t-shirt.
Okay. For ladies. Different.
Ladies t-shirt. This is a children t-shirt.
Okay. So does that mean this one is only t-shirt for children?
It's only t-shirt for children.
But this is a lot of work. Oh.
Yeah.
A lot of work.
This is a long sleeve polo. Children long sleeve. That's the weather is cold.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is short sleeve, yeah.
Yeah. And this one is long sleeve.
Yeah. So
wow.
This one is white t-shirt.
Okay.
Men white t-shirt.
This is clean.
So that is the word.
This is massive, man.
This ladies long sleeve polo.
Akwa niile bụ akwa.
Onwe akwa na-apụta here.
Nwelo.
Nke a wuru men long sleeve polo.
Wow.
Ịhụla ndị a wuru ndị anyị na-eji akọtọ wiper.
Okay.
Ndị a dị here. Like we'll load it tomorrow. Container is coming. I'm taking it to Europe.
Wait.
Like these ones. I will take you to that place.
Okay. You said something. You are taking them to Europe.
Yes, because of labor. You see, this one is children white t-shirts.
Okay. All white.
All white.
Wow.
So when we open the big bar, you take gown place, t-shirt, you put it t-shirt, trouser, you put it in trouser, household, you put it there. So from there, the expert, they will come and separate it.
Okay.
So that's the way we do it.
After you start belling it.
Yes. Like you see the way they are belling that one.
Yeah.
We will go there.
Okay.
I'll show. Like this one is gown. This place is gown section. Second skate. Gown. This one is gown.
This is gown. Ladies gown.
Yeah.
All kinds of ladies gown is here.
Yes. This one is skate. Polo skate.
Wow. All kinds of skates.
Yes,
All kinds
yes. Everything polo skate
is here.
is here.
This is massive.
This one is cotton skate. Anything
So
cotton.
the
This
difference
one.
now, this one is cotton and this
Yeah.
one is normal.
Polo.
That's only the difference.
Yes.
And they have to separate it to know the difference.
Yeah, like you see the way he's working this one. So if you take
Hmm.
anyone,
This
you
is
see this one as well.
this one is skate also.
Yeah, this one is a skate also. This one is
This is skates.
yes.
This is also
So
skate.
this one is. You see, this one is party wear.
Party wear.
Yes, if you are going to party.
Yeah. So there is a place they separate party wear
Yes,
separately.
yes. I don't take particular party wear, however.
Wow.
You see,
For women.
for women, you see, party.
Yeah. This one is for Gen Z that wants to go party.
Yeah. Like wedding, all those things.
Yeah. Oh, this is the wedding gown.
Yeah. Everything.
There's nothing that does not come in this kind.
Yeah.
This is okay. This is so. Oh, we're ending as we have now.
Yes, everybody has. We have the buyers.
So because here I get an name, I forget. Oh, we try to way. Sacha Yamea, do say, Imama no, okay.
Yes,
All that new one.
and they dry cleaner. Higher.
Wow. Wow. I will put this on down there.
So here and they dry cleaner.
Wow.
Higher. I work Obuibu.
And it's original. It's original. It's original. This kind of things you will buy, you will use it till like depending how you maintain it.
Like we have a gym dress in the name. Like we have gym dress, anything gym.
Okay. Wow.
So, like this one is a children, just skate, just dress.
Wow. This one is church clothing.
So use it and mix something. See.
Wow.
So they know everything. They will.
Yeah.
They'll
be separating it.
Yeah.
So you guys are doing well. You guys are doing because you guys are giving work to the people.
Yeah.
Because
if we start, we are more than 100
here working.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like after that, this one is the one we buy.
Okay. So you have already bought this one.
Yeah.
So this one will be going out.
Yeah. This is a t-shirt.
Okay. This one men's t-shirt.
But if it's not good, neat, we cut it, we put it here.
Okay. Wow.
Like this is blouse.
Okay. Okay. For women.
For women. It's mostly for women. This is white blouse. Office.
Very neat. And one thing is that it's original.
Good. And see this one is stockers.
You know that most of these clothes they have not worn it like
Yes.
more than even
shop return.
Yes.
You see this one, we counted 200. This is 200, we buy it.
Okay, 200 pieces.
Yeah.
Like this, like, is it like two of them or one like this 200?
No. We counted one. Like this is 5.
Okay.
This is 5.
Okay.
So if you take this one, 20. 5 of it is 200.
Okay, that is one bell.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you see this one. This one is bomb shot. Okay, bomb shot.
Okay, yeah.
You see it?
For length.
Then we check. If it's 55 kg, we stop.
Okay, that is 55 kg. Like
Yeah.
that.
Remove this one. This one, no? Remove it, you put another one.
So is it before they begin to separate it?
If we finish working it, They will bring it here. Then he will write it.
Okay.
He will write it. Here come Gasaba. Bring all shots after separation.
Okay.
This,
You will change the.
yes, we sell it by kilo.
Okay.
So you cannot feel cheated. You need to feel like cheated.
Yeah.
You see how they are putting that one. That
So
one is short.
so is it after doing that way before they begin to boil it?
Before they begin to burn it. So if they weigh it,
Okay.
this man will write.
Okay.
Will write.
Okay.
So if you write this thing, this man will take it.
Okay.
These people will feel it. This one is swimming.
The way they are feeling it.
Yes. So
Okay.
they will burn it. That one will carry it and keep. Those people
Okay.
separating
Okay.
it. Those people are bringing to here.
Okay. So that means okay, they have already separated it.
They already
The same clothes. Once
yes.
they check the weight,
Yes. They
then
burn it.
if the weight is the same, these people will pick it and pour it inside, then it will be barely.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Like this one
Okay.
is
Okay.
55 kg.
Okay.
It's swimming.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
They have the tag there.
Yeah.
They put the tag. Come and see here.
Wow.
Okay. They have put this one. Let him finish this one. Come and see. You see, this one is
Okay. This one is bread.
yeah swimming. Come and see another one. You put this. If you put back,
Okay. This is a machine that will boil it and
yeah,
make it look very nice and
yes.
wow.
You see the tag now. You put that tag.
Okay.
If you turn it, they will put that one.
Okay.
So here now, they will turn it. Then the other one they will burn it.
Okay. These white people are wonderful. Who created this machine? So this
Black
one,
people are created it.
this machine we arrange it in order.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see the one. If they finish it, you know where to put it.
Okay.
You see this one, you see like that.
Wow.
You see, it's okay now.
Yeah. So before this machine, what have you guys been doing? How was you like go to this when
Actually, emetigwa ndị ahụ oge mụ bịara mechine dị la.
Okay.
Etu na mechine a dụrụ
Okay.
oge ọ dị small.
Okay.
Anyị abanyeghị into sack dee ya n'ahụ ya. So ya gụrụ but ọ gaghị aga no far.
Yeah.
Then as it is like this, it will move far.
Okay.
You can take it back to Europe.
Okay.
Take it back to anywhere.
So you have made mention of this Europe. So taking it back, is this selling it to the Europeans or selling it?
Yes, sell it to them.
So Europeans buy this used clothes?
No, that one they will buy it. They cannot. It can use labor there. It can use like up to 20,000.
Okay.
But here the labor they will use 20,000. I can use labor 2 million.
Okay. So that means originally, clothes when
Europe.
Huh.
Europe.
Wow.
Europe.
This is wonderful.
It's like Europe. Here you can get cheaper labor.
Okay.
And they are hearing your language.
Okay.
You can do it very faster.
Okay.
In Europe, the work this you spend over thousands of pounds
Okay.
to work it. Here it's cheaper.
Okay. Okay. When you do it here like this now, you send it back.
You sell it anywhere you have a customer.
So yeah, okay, na ju when the bin Europe na abia azu akwa.
Ndị na-ego ya ahụ ndị ship like this. Ndị na-ego ya na-ahụ like that one. But how do this one? No. Like the winter one, they can buy it if you take it there.
So that's what you mean like this one is going to Europe.
Yeah, like that one.
Okay.
I will explain to you.
Okay.
So see how they are doing this.
Okay, okay. Okay, the scale is 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know.
Okay. it will go to 55.
Yeah. This is 55. You see now it's 55 kilo. Then they will take it to there. Then him will write,
Is it the kilo?
yeah, he will write the kilo and the name. Akwidalaya. We shall see, he will write it now.
This is the
Second shot. Even 55. Mm. You see it. So this one, they do it, you write it again.
Okay. So that means taking record. And this
Mm.
is that how they also put the label? This is the label, right?
Yeah, this is the label. The man will put, then he will write it in book.
Okay.
He will record it.
This is amazing. You guys are doing a lot of work here. Very easy.
That is,
Very easy. I
that
swear.
is. So let me show you that side.
Very easy, man.
This is towel.
How is it?
It's from inside.
Clean. Original towel.
This is
Like
yes.
Ghana Kwe.
Hausa people they normally use it.
Okay.
This is material.
This is like
Like this thing you're wearing.
okay, they can use it to sew.
Yeah.
Okay.
This material. They come from inside.
Some
See.
people, those people, those designers come to pick
Yeah.
the one they need. This is all materials.
Yeah, this is material. This is white. White bedsheet.
No one they choose in Kaya Jako. No, I give everything. Yabjawa.
This is
This is like about the same. Is it the charcoal?
yes. And I couldn't use shocker. This is this one is this host. Umaka Nado
For children.
for children.
Children like this.
Yes.
I call it that
Children.
way.
Yeah.
For children.
This is pajamas. This is the same shirt we'll see here. This one is pillow. We haven't sorted. Pillow.
This one is yet to be sorted.
Bathrobe. This one is bathrobe. Mm. So many things.
This one is yet to be separate.
Yeah, we haven't separated this one.
Wow. Even pillows.
Pillows.
Everything is here.
Yeah, they will buy the pillow. Everything. This is like bed
This
cover.
is like this is see.
They will use it for the bed. Or they will use it, they'll put it on the floor like mat.
Yeah, they put it like that. Everything is here.
Yeah.
Everything human being uses is here.
Yes.
The only thing when they separate it, there's no the differences.
Yeah, like this one.
Where it goes.
You see.
Wow. This is wonderful. This is like the one they put on bench.
Yes.
Something like that, like
Like this one.
duvet or something.
Duvet. Like see. We haven't sorted.
This is duvet.
So if we sort it.
Original, very thick.
Yeah, and foot mat.
This one, how thick is it? This is
So we have built some of them. So this one, we send this. Yeah, this one we send it to Europe, Australia, anywhere we get the customer.
this one will be going there.
Yeah, it will go in the container.
You know, you guys are amazing. So look at this. This clothes like this came from Europe and it's still going back to Europe.
Yeah, Duto, he came under clothes. When he come here, we have a machine.
Like,
We cut it like this.
what was the clothes?
Abroad the clothes. We cut it like people are doing like car machinery or what they will use it to clean the machine.
Okay.
So to work it in Europe is very, very expensive.
Okay.
Here work it is cheaper
And
for
send
us.
it back.
We send it back.
You have the import and they will arrange it the way it's supposed to be and export. So all
So
this thing you are looking at is no more clothing.
it's no more clothes.
That is why it's going back to Europe,
Yes.
Australia,
Anywhere.
UK,
It's a,
anywhere they have.
like this one,
Yeah.
they use it as wiper.
Okay. But you guys are creating wonder. This is just rifle they package like this. So
Yeah, but government is not helping us.
oh, Jesus Christ,
It's not
I'm
helping
impressed.
us.
We are creating wonders. If the people are
So,
just and Jesus, I don't even know.
so like this one, I booked the container already. Maybe tomorrow they will start loading it.
After loading, it will go to the ship.
It will go to the ship, go back.
3 months time. It will
No, a month or 2 weeks. If it's in Europe,
that means there is some clothing you guys separate for cotton like this.
yes.
And does it have a size you must cut it?
No. You have, like, we remove the bottom
Okay.
so that if you are cleaning the machine, it will not spoil it.
Yeah.
You remove the bottom, you remove the color.
Yeah.
You have pure white, you have printed white, you have, so you make it in a way they cannot make it over there. If they want to make it over there, they will spend so much thousands. But here, if you came down here, we'll do it. Like that one,
Okay.
it's last. What we don't need,
You guys, we do it like this.
we'll do it like this. So I
You
said,
guys are turning some a waste into something
yes,
valuable.
yes,
You know, if they tell you that no well makata like this, like here not like rags, they turn rags into money, into something precious.
yeah.
Because
So I will go. You see, Papa, like this one is stockings. If you go, they are burning it one after the other.